Do you hear me? Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our the second section of the our visual congress series. Just now, in a few minutes later, Dr. Wan Norfazilah Wan Ismail from Malaysia, University Malaysia, Pahang, is going to present her presentation live. She is a participant of NANOMACH conference and she is one of our invited speaker. Welcome again. Hello.
Hello, thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, and then what about the slides?
Yes, and also we can see your presentation.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you
Thank
are
you very
ready,
much.
you
Yeah.
can start your presentation. And also we are starting, we are just now, we have just started the recording. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, thank you very much to our dedicated chairman. A very good afternoon to all participants and guests. It's already 6 p.m. here in Malaysia. It's an honor for me to be an invited speaker for this session in International Conference on Nanomaterials, Nanofabrication, and Nanocharacterization. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Wan Norfazilah Wan Ismail, a senior lecturer in Industrial Chemistry Program, Faculty of Industrial Sciences and Technology, Universiti Malaysia Pahang. My doctorate research degree is in chemistry and currently working on material science and advanced fabric technology. In this session, I'm going to share with you about nano-encapsulated aroma finishing on fabric by sol gel process. Right, before further sharing on my research interests, here are some information about my university and faculty, because I believe some of you might hear about Universiti Malaysia Pahang for the first time. Okay, Universiti Malaysia Pahang has been established by the government of Malaysia on February 16, 2002, and it has been operated for more than 18 years now. Okay, our university is categorized as one of the technical university, which is specializing in engineering and technology. We have two campuses located at the east coast of Malaysia. The main campus is in Pekan, and another branch campus is in Gambang in Pahang State. Okay, so I belong to one of the faculty categorized under technology area, namely Faculty of Industrial Sciences and Technology. Okay, and it is located in the branch campus, Gambang. Our faculty has been established in May 2008, 6 years after the establishment of the university. So our focus is on industrial sciences and technology, where we provide skills and practical-based undergraduate and postgraduate programs. We have very close relationship with industries all over Malaysia, as well as international industries. Our program, Industrial Chemistry, is the first program introduced, followed by the Industrial Biotechnology, Material Technology, and Occupational Safety and Health. So we are going to introduce a new diploma program in Industrial Sciences next year. Okay, apart from that, we also offer Master and PhD by Research in Applied Sciences and Technology. So for postgraduate program, we have 4 research clusters, which are drug discovery and diagnostic, advanced materials, green technology, and occupational safety and health. So I belong to green technology research cluster. Okay, so these are some of facilities that we have in our laboratories, which are used for teaching and learning and also research. Okay. Since our faculty focus on industrial sciences and technology, apart from in-class learning, we also actively engage with industries through strategic partnership. Okay, one of the program is that we have internship program duration for 6 months, and it is conducted at the end of the study period, which give our students an advantage where most of them are straight away become permanent employee of the company. So our curriculum syllabus is being reviewed not only by the government sector, but also by industry expertise to ensure they are current and relevant to the industry needs. Okay. In terms of research, development, innovation, and commercialization, we have several collaboration with industries, not only in research projects, but also staff attachment. This one is to expose our staff in real working situation in order to produce competent staff to deliver our syllabus and activities to the clients. Okay, right now we already engage with more than 150 local and international companies for student internship, staff attachment, research projects, training, and consultancies. Okay, so you can get more information regarding our faculty and activities through the website, and I hope you can share this one with your colleagues. All right, so now let's continue with my presentation. Okay, and here are the contents, including aroma finishing, encapsulation and sol gel technology, nano-encapsulation, sol gel process, aroma nano capsule wall materials, and their applications on fabric. Okay, so first of all, what does it mean by aroma and aroma finishing? So aroma plays an important role in producing pleasant sensorial effects to human, thus revitalizing the mind and the body. Addition of aromas to fabrics has been there for many years in the form of fabric conditioners for the purpose of washing and while tumble drying. So these products were designed to impart fresh aroma to the fabric treated with it, but could not retain the aromas for a long time. The needs for long-term durability and slow release of aroma functional fabrics brought about the introduction of encapsulation method. Right, so encapsulation technology is an effective method to protect aromas from oxidative deterioration when exposed to moisture, oxygen, light, heat, and changes in pH. Encapsulation is a process which entraps active agent into wall material, producing particles in the nanometer, micrometer, and millimeter scale. This process thus remarkably increase the durability and long-lastingness of the effect of the functional ingredient incorporated onto the fabrics. There are various methods and techniques of nano-encapsulation involving nano-sized solid, liquid, or gas particles, which are covered with a natural or synthetic polymeric membrane, including chemical, physicochemical, and also physico-mechanical methods. So here sol gel technology is one of the method. Okay, it offers a flexible approach in obtaining a diverse range of materials. It allows differing chemistries to be achieved, as well as offering the ability to produce a wide range of nano or microstructures. Okay, my presentation today will focus on the use of sol gel method in fabric finishing area, where the sol gel materials have been explored as encapsulating agent containing aroma compounds. So sol gel encapsulation of aroma compounds leads to control aroma release from fabric and protect against the surrounding environmental conditions. So the aromas that are encapsulated are called active agent. Okay, while the inner part, which contains the active agent, can be called the field, nucleus, core materials, payload, or internal phase. The outer wall that encloses the field is called the shell, encapsulant, coating, carrier, or external phase. So the aroma enclosed in the capsule are released instantly on the fabric when a mechanical movement such as abrasion, deformation, and friction occur. The smaller the capsules, the greater will be the covering of the product, and consequently, longer the aromas would last. Okay. So aroma capsules can be divided into micro capsules, size range from 1 to 1000 micrometer, and nano capsules, size less than 1 micrometer. So far, most of the reports focus on the preparation of micro-sized aroma capsules. However, microcapsules are difficult to penetrate into the layer of fibers due to their large particle size, which limits the use of microcapsules to finish micrometer fabric fibers. So then, nanoencapsulation is introduced, and it represents an efficient alternative in increasing their stabilities, prolong sensory perception, bioavailability, and improve their efficiency. The large surface area provided by nanocapsules is appropriate for incorporating aroma compounds and prolong their lifetime by controlling the release rate. Okay, now we move on to the sol-gel method. Okay, sol-gel method is widely used physicochemical process to fabricate nanocapsules by metal oxide with controllable morphology and high uniformity to load active ingredient in very mild conditions. In a typical sol-gel process, there are 4 processes involved, including combination of metal oxide precursor, solvent, and surfactant to form aqueous droplet known as sol phase. Okay, next, polymerization of the precursor to build oxide cage, okay, known as gelation. Next is addition of active ingredient. And lastly, the encapsulation occurs around the active molecule. Okay, so the nano capsule is able to control the release profile of active species by tailoring the pore volume, pore size, okay, tertiary and surface chemistry. It is combined with emulsion technology to obtain spherical nano capsule where the sol-gel molecular entrapment is carried out in or around emulsion droplets. In brief, the emulsion droplets provide a reactor environment for the hydrolysis and condensation reactions of the metal alkoxide. By controlling the sol-gel or emulsion synthesis parameters such as water to alkoxide ratio, pH, alkoxide concentration, temperature, aging and drying time, the internal structure of the nanocapsule can be controlled to ensure its effective performance for a number of applications. Right. Next is the nanocapsule wall material. Okay, 3 main wall materials for nanocapsules are polymeric, inorganic, and polymeric inorganic materials, the combination of polymeric and inorganic materials. Okay, polymeric capsules from nanoscale to microscale have become increasingly attractive and experience a blooming development over the past 2 decades. Inorganic and polymeric inorganic shell materials were just paid more attention in the last decade due to their controllable morphology and special aroma release way. Since the scope of my presentation today is on the sol-gel method, which used to fabricate inorganic capsules, thus, I only focus on inorganic materials to be reviewed. The inorganic nanocapsules formulated via sol-gel process are known to have significant chemical and physical stability, biocompatibility, large surface area and pore volume, and also adjustable pore size. So now we are going to look at the previous work done by researchers, okay, for Aroma nanocapsule wall materials. First is Zhao et al. They prepare oil-to-water emulsion with the hexadisyltrimethoxysilane modified silica nanoparticles, okay, with 53.5 nanometer size. Then these silica nanoparticles were linked with a silica precursor polymer, hyperbranch polyethoxysilane at the oil-to-water interface to enclose hexyl acetate with almost 100% efficiency. Okay. And then another work involving lavender aroma was encapsulated successfully by Xiao et al. In 2019. In organically modified silica via the sol gel approach with the average particle size of 220 nanometer. They use tetraethoxysilane and modified with methyl trimethoxysilane to enhance the mechanical strength and compatibility of the wall material. And the encapsulation efficiency was obtained, which is 96.36% under the optimal conditions. And the last work done by Duncan et al. In 2015, okay, they have functionalized silica nanoparticles with cationic amine and obtained an average diameter of 150 nanometer self-assembled at the oil-to-water interface to stabilize the mixture of peppermint oil and cinnamaldehyde droplets. Okay, compared to polymeric capsules, these inorganic capsules show the excellent mechanical property, morphology, and monodispersity. However, to date, the inorganic capsules have only focused on some special compounds, such as silica. Few properties, including thermal resistant, sustained release properties of the inorganic capsules loaded with aroma have been reported. The release of aroma compounds from inorganic capsules was mainly achieved depending on the size of the pores of the capsules. Therefore, in my opinion, the shell compactness and their sufficient pore size of the inorganic capsules would play an important role. So that is on the wall materials. Next, we are going to look at the applications of nano capsule aroma finishing on fabric. So recently, I only found 3 studies on the preparation of nano-sized aroma capsules by sol gel method for fabric finishing, okay, using scientific database which are Scopus and Science Direct. First is done by Cao et al. 2015. Okay, they have synthesized silica nanocapsules in the range of 140 to 220 nanometer by using oil-to-water mini emulsions of different functional monomers as template. So the obtained encapsulation efficiency of the aroma is up to 48.1%. Meanwhile, Zhu et al. In 2016 fabricated hollow mesoporous silica nanospheres via sol gel method with a size of 233 nanometer using polystyrene template and loaded lemon essential oil with a loading capacity of 85.8%. The amount of lemon aroma from dried nanocapsules released was only 7.9% after placed 6 days at temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, the aroma was taking more than 30 hours to completely be released at high temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. So another study, okay, done by Ghosh and Chipot in 2015, they are using natural cross-linking agents, beta-cyclodextrin, as inclusion compound to embed the aroma into cotton and cotton polyester fabrics using sol gel, okay, prepare from 3-glycidoxypropyl trimethoxysilane and also tetraethoxysilane. The retention of eucalyptus, lavender, and lemon aromas for the finished fabrics is found to decrease over 6 weeks and 6 washing. Okay, so moreover, an increase in tensile strength of the cotton polyester fabric is observed after the application of the finish. Okay. So to conclude my sharing for today, we can say that the Sol-Gel method is a versatile technology to fabricate the aroma nanocapsules for fabric finishing. It is also found that inorganic capsules provide advantages such as significant chemical and physical stability and excellent controllable morphology. In addition, the Sol-Gel entrapment in silica-based nanoparticles is a relatively new solution for controlled release of aromas, despite the fact that, at least in principle, it offers a number of advantages over competing polymeric formulations. Indeed, as the current trend in commercial Sol-Gel nanotechnology continues, I believe that the production of Sol-Gel derived aroma nanocapsule will soon become a hot topic in fabric finishing. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you can get some ideas on the fabrication of aroma capsules on fabric by Sol-Gel method. So you can contact me via email, or we can also connect via LinkedIn. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. It's very nice and very interesting research, I think. Thank you again. Just now, we can take questions. If any our participants have any questions, we can wait a few minutes. Yes, dear participants, if you want to ask any question, you can write the chat section, or please write section. Sorry, please write the chat section. We can open your sound from the host section, and you can talk and you can ask your questions by yourself.
Okay, thank you, Prof, for your question. Okay, the question is the purpose to encapsulate aroma in Sol-Gel encapsulation and insert in fabric. So nowadays, people are using some softener, okay, aroma softener, and not only to have a very good aroma on your fabric, but also it is very comfortable. My purpose to encapsulate aroma in Sol-Gel encapsulation is because it will slowly release the aroma. Instead of you wear the fabric for a few hours, then the aroma has gone. Using the encapsulation, it will take more than 6 hours and even weeks to release the aromas, and it can last longer. And if I can add, using encapsulation, the aroma released by mechanical such as abrasion. Okay, and if there is no abrasion, the aroma will be maintained in the capsule. That's why it takes longer time to have a good aroma in your fabric.
Okay, thank you for your answer. And I would like to one question also. You embedded, you inserted in the fabric, so it must be biocompatible, right? You test the biocompatibility or skin.
For now, we only do fabric coating. Okay, we didn't do any test on the compatibility with skin yet.
Okay, thank you.
I think there is no question without this question. Yes, Dr. Wan Ismail, thank you again to be a participant of this virtual congress, and also this nice, kindly, and very interesting research presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.